Hi, it's Cindy, Christina, and I believe we have Callie and maybe Bandit with us today at Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner. And we're here to ask, what is it? Hey, it's our monthly newsletter drawing, so we are going to draw for those of you that guessed the correct answer for our monthly question of what is it. So Christina, do you want to read off what the riddle was?
Yeah, so the riddle for March was, these items sit on top of a toilet. Sitting down, standing up, they'll never spoil it. We prefer bolted, but some have a clamp. They'll help you transfer just like a champ.
All right, so that is the toilet riser right here. We got a toilet riser with handles. Our preference is one that bolts to the toilet seat, so for stability reasons. I also really like the handles because you always need a good push-off area. Toilet paper holders, towel racks, sinks, pedestal sinks, not good push-off, handhold push-offs. So toilet riser right here is what we have. So Christina, do we want to tell who guessed correctly this month?
Yeah. So the people that we got correct answers from were Jackie Spiller, Lori Callahan, Heather Ray, Christine Held, Teresa Milligan, Deanne Weiss, Jennifer Graham, Cameron Annis, and Mitch Nally.
All right, very good. So
Awesome.
let's draw.
Okay.
Let's draw for a winner here.
Oh, look.
All right, here we go. Do I just have one? Yep, I do. Okay, and the winner is Lori Callahan.
Yay!
All right, so we will be in touch. So if you guys like to guess things like this, check us out at aecorner.com. Be sure to sign up for our newsletter so that your name can be in the hat for the next drawing. So Christina, what is next month's riddle? Let's go over that.
Well, this in April,
Oh,
it's
in
really
April,
more.
okay.
Yeah. So for the month of April, it's really a limerick. I went with the limerick.
A limerick. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, you're getting a little.
I know. Sprained my brain on that one. So here's the limerick for April. There once was a man named Finch who broke his leg in a trench. He wanted a bath, but he had no path until he tried a bath.
That's something to guess. And you know how you guess? Is just sign up for our newsletter. So again, go to aecorner.com, check that out, and be sure to get your name in the drawing. That's it for today from Adaptive Equipment and Caregiving Corner. Have a great day, and don't forget, if you can't do it, adapt it.
Adapt it.
Very good.